You wake up and instantly check on your phone, scrolling down on social media to see what's going on with other people, constantly comparing yourself to other people who have far better lifestyle than yours. You continue to scroll down for a few minutes, you go on the toilet, start scrolling on TikTok to be entertained. You are locked on your phone until you finish. You look at the hand wash in your bathroom, you suddenly feel the need to watch porn. You never work out unless you really feel like it. You never read books, never have vision in your life. You're scared of hard work, you don't plan for the future. You subscribe to the idea of utilitarianism. You start to get ready for your 9-to-5 job. On your way to your work, you grab a coffee as an excuse to consume some sugar, maybe a donut or two. When you finally arrived at your work, you let other people walk all over you. Nobody respects you at your work. Your boss doesn't respect you. Your colleagues don't respect you. You work too hard for somebody else just to make some money to live. At lunch, you grab some McDonald's and a soda on the side, again as an excuse to consume more sugar. When you're done with your work, you go to a bar to have some drinks with your friends and complain to them about the things that don't really matter in bigger picture. You meet somebody at the bar or on Tinder, then you have some meaningless casual sex. Finally, you get home, you order some pizza, immediately start watching TV. You stay up till 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. and have some midnight snack. Then you start to think about your life. Then you start to regret everything. What is the purpose of life?